Hello everyone, and thank you very much first of all for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this video we are going to talk about this Flask based AI background remover application, which you can use for removing the background of any type of image, and also if you are shooting a video and you want to see a transparent background of that in that video, so you can make use of this application. So there are two options. The first one is this, with the help of which you can remove the background of any image, and the second one is this, with the help of which you can shoot a real-time video and you can remove the background in real time in that real-time video you are going to shoot. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to try out this option. We'll see how this option works and what kind of output we can get, and then I'm going to show it to you what all things are there in the background which are helping us in removing the background from the images as well as from the video. And don't worry about the code. I will be sharing a link in the description section from where you can download the entire code of this application. Okay, so what I've done is I've downloaded this image on my desktop. It is with name Rana_Pratap. Fine, and now I'm going to try out this option. So I have to look for this image. Okay, I'm uploading it. Now when I'll click on this remove background, what will happen? There is a folder called uploads. If you see, it's completely blank right now, it's empty. There is this folder output also, which is completely empty. So when I click on remove background, the uploaded image will first come here, under uploads named directory, and from here this code, this code is going to pick it up and it will remove the background and put the output image in this output name directory. So let's see that magic. I'm clicking this remove background button. So as you can see, the background has been removed by the application, and this is what we have got as an output. Now if I come here, I can see there is this image called Rana_Pratap, and then inside this output we have this bg_removed_Rana_Pratap.jpg. Fine, so it's an image where we cannot see the background. Okay, the background is completely removed by the code, and we can see this man and with this horse in the pic. Okay, so this is how this option works. Now with this start video, you can simply start the video. Okay, and because my camera of this device is not working at present, so you won't be able to see anything, but yes, if you have this code, you can check it out on your device. Definitely you will get the output. So a new window will get created which you can open, and you can you will see that there is no background in that video which will come in that frame. Okay, so this is the application. Now how this application has been coded, what all things are there, we're using the backend for this application for getting the background remover thing happen. That is what we're going to talk about now. So these are the libraries, okay, which you need to install. OS CV2. Fine, CV2 is nothing but OpenCV. Then there is MediaPipe we are using. This is a Flask application, so you'll have to install all these. You'll have to install Flask. Then there is this library called REMBG, which stands for remove background. Okay, with the help of which you can simply remove the background of any type of image, whether it is PNG or JPG or anything. Let me just show it to you again. So this is a JPG image. Now let me come on this image, and if I simply click here and save it as Maharana, and I'm going to put it as a PNG file. Okay, I'm saving it as a PNG file. Now let's come here and I'm going to upload this image. So it is a PNG file, right? Now if I will click on this remove background image, see the background has been removed completely by the application. Okay, and it is the PNG image. Fine, not the JPG. So it can remove the background from all the types of images. It can process all the types of videos also. That is the advantage of using REMBG library. Okay, then we have this media pipe. MP is for media pipe, so we have imported selfie segmentation model from it. Okay, here we are initializing the media pipe selfie segmentation model. Then comes this route, remove dash bg dash image. So there are two routes that we have defined here. One which is helping us in removing the background from the images, the other one which is helping us in removing the background from the video. Okay, so what is happening inside this route? Let's check it out. So I am uploading a video which goes and sits here in this output underscore path. Okay, which is nothing but this, sorry, which goes and sits in this uploads name directory. Fine. Then I am capturing the path of this output named folder also. Okay, and what I'm doing here is this remove. I'm reading the image and then I'm removing the background from this image, and simply I'm writing the output image in this out. Okay, and what is this out? It is nothing but the output path. And what is this output path? It is the path to this directory called output, where we are saving the output of the application. Okay, and then it is send file, with the help of which we are redirecting the user to this this window where you can see the output produced by the application. Same kind of a thing we are doing here also in this remove dash bg dash video. So we are accessing the camera using the CV2 module. Okay, video capture 0. So 0 is for the default device, default camera of your device, right? So this is how we are accessing the camera. Then we are capturing the frames. Fine, then we are doing the segmentation, and finally we are removing the background using this bg underscore remove. Okay, and then we are showing it to the user. Now if you want to come out of the window, you have to simply press Q on your keyboard and you will see the window will get destroyed. Fine, so this is a very basic application, right, which you can use for removing background from all the types of videos, from all the types of images. These are two HTML files. This is the one which you see when you on the application, when you exit the application, and when you click on start video, it redirects you to this page. If you want, you can customize the appearance of this page also. You just have to copy this styling part from here and put it over here. Automatically this page will also start looking like this page, right? So that is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't worry about the code, you'll get it in the description section in the form of a link. Okay, so you can download it from my GitHub repo and try to set it up on your respective device. Let me know in case you come across any issues. Fine, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care and have a great day, guys.